In this video, we will see and discuss rules for writing IUPAC names of cyclic compounds. For more videos, you can visit us at educationstudio.in. So, rules for writing IUPAC name of acyclic compounds. 1. First alphabet of the IUPAC name is written as capital letter. 2. All the secondary prefixes are written in alphabetical order of their name. 3. If same secondary prefix or unsaturation or secondary suffix is present more than once, numerical prefixes like di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, etc. are added just before the name of that part. If secondary prefix in, ein, or secondary suffix. 4th, the position of any part, whether it is secondary prefix, in, ein, or secondary suffix, is written with the help of Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. just before the name of that part. If that part appears once, and before the numerical prefix if that part appears more than once. 5th, the Arabic numerals are separated from each other using comma, while the numerals are separated from alphabets using hyphen. 6th, the last alphabet E of primary suffix, which are ein, in, and ein, that will be deleted if its following alphabet is either a vowel or has a vowel-like pronunciation. 7th, if the principal chain has more than one double or more than one triple bond, alphabet A is added to the word root and the word root elk will become elka. 8th, the IUPAC name can have only one secondary suffix, although its number can be any. 9th, the numbers used to denote position of first part that comes just after word root can also be written before the word root. 10th, any side chain that has unsaturation or further side groups should be written in parentheses. The number of such identical groups is denoted using special numerical prefixes, which are bis for 2, tris for 3, tetrakis for 4, and pentakis for 5. Instead of normal numerical prefixes, di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. The position of terminating functional group is not necessary to mention in the IUPAC name because it will always be 1 or 1 and last if present at both ends. Let us consider this molecule. This is the principal chain. Word root is hex. This is nitro. This is chloro. So functional groups are nitro and chloro, both represented by secondary prefixes. Nitro, chloro. Secondary prefix and unsaturation both are absent. Therefore, secondary prefixes in totality must be given preference. Here, because there is no unsaturation, so primary suffix is ein. The numbering can be done from left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Least locant of secondary prefixes chloro as per alphabetical order will be by this numbering from right to left. Least number will be assigned to chloro C because the sum of the locants will be 2 plus 5 if we do numbering either from right side of the chain or we do numbering from the left side of the chain. Chloro and nitro. Here secondary prefixes are written in alphabetical order. So the name of the compound will be 2-chloro 5-nitro-hexane. See another example. This is the molecule, principal chain. 8 carbon, so therefore word root is opt. This is ethyl group. Ethyl is the prefix. There is no secondary suffix, non-saturation. So least locant of side group must be given preference and primary suffix used will be N. Numbering can be done from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numbering on the basis of lesser locant of side group ethyl, which is 4 from the right side. If we number the chain from left side, position of ethyl will be 5. The name of the compound will become 4-ethyl octane because 4 is the position of ethyl. See another molecule. This is the principal chain. Dec is the word root because of 10 carbon in the principal chain. This is propyl side group. Secondary prefix propyl. There is no secondary suffix, non-saturation. So least locant of side group must be given preference, and due to absence of unsaturation, primary suffix will be N. Numbering can be done from upper right part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is correct numbering on the basis of lesser locant of side group propyl, which is 5. If we do numbering from the other end, the locant of the side group propyl will be 6. So 5 is correct. Position of propyl group is 5. So the name of the compound will become 5-propyl decane. See another molecule. These are the OH functional group, which are represented by secondary suffix ol. No unsaturation, and all must be given preference. Principal chain must include carbon having functional group OH. This is the principal chain. There are 7 carbon in the principal chain. Word root will be heft. No unsaturation, so primary suffix is N. Functional group is OH, secondary suffix ol. Numbering, there are 2 ol, so therefore 2 ol groups. Numerical prefix di will be used. This is a side group containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, pentyl group. Numbering can be done from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is correct numbering because this will give least sum of locants of secondary suffix ol, which will be 1 plus 6. If we number the chain from left side, the sum of the locants of ol will be 2 plus 7, which would have been higher. So therefore, this is correct numbering, and name of the compound we can write. Position of pentyl group is 4. Position of ol is 1 and 6. Numerical prefix di to denote 2 OH groups. Name of the compound will be 4-pentyl heptane 1,7-diol. 1,6-diol, sorry. See another example. This is unsaturation, which is alkene. There is no secondary suffix, so unsaturation will get preference. This is principal chain. Principal chain because it has more side groups. This is ethyl side group. This is methyl side group. Word root is hex because of 6 carbon in the principal chain. Primary suffix is ene because principal chain has alkene part. Side group is methyl and ethyl. Numbering can be done from left end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is correct numbering because this will give least position to unsaturation, which will get preference. Position of unsaturation is 2. Position of ethyl and methyl groups is 4 and 5 respectively. Prefixes will be written in alphabetical order. So it will be 4-ethyl, 5-methyl, hex 2-ene. See yet another molecule. This is the principal chain. No secondary suffix, but unsaturation is present. So unsaturation in totality must be given preference. Word root is hex. Primary suffix ene and ine both. Numbering will be done from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering is based on least sum of locants of unsaturation, which will be 1 plus 4, 5. Position of ene and ine, primary suffix is 4 and 1 respectively. Primary suffix will be written in alphabetical order because there are 2 in number. Last E of ene will be deleted because the following alphabet of ine sounds like a vowel I. The name will become hex 4 ene 1 ine. See another example. This is functional group. This is the principal chain. Word root will be hex. Functional group is alcohol, that is represented by secondary suffix ol. Secondary suffix, that is ol, must be given preference over unsaturation. Because the principal chain has carbon-carbon double bond, so primary suffix ene will be used. There is one methyl side group also. If we do the numbering of this principal chain, that can be done from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Numbering is based on the least locant of all because secondary suffix will get the preference. So therefore, position of all is 2, position of ene is 5, position of methyl is 4. The name will become, last E of ene will be deleted because the following alphabet of all is a vowel. 4-methyl hex 5-ene 2-ol will be the IUPAC name of the compound. See another molecule. Here, this is the principal chain. Functional group is nitro, that is represented by secondary suffix prefix nitro. Unsaturation, that is alkene, ene, must be given preference. Word root is hex. Primary suffix is ene. Side group is nitro and a methyl also. If we do the numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Numbering is based on least locant of ene because ene will get preference in absence of secondary suffix. Position of ene is 1, it is attached at this first carbon. Position of methyl is 3 and position of nitro is 5. Prefixes will be written in alphabetical order. M will come first, so it will be 3-methyl, 5-nitro, hex 1-ene.